350C Payhauler. Won't go in reverse. Raise the bed, pin it, and get under it. Find the transmission, find out which solenoid runs reverse, change it, don't fix nothing, clean it out, clean all the metal, don't change nothing. Try to change the valve. We'll see if that fixes it. Payhauler won't go in reverse. Beeper comes on, won't kick in. You go, take your spoiler off, or your solenoid. There's a part number for that old thing. There's a spool. Always pin the bed up, boys. Always pin the bed up. You don't want that coming down on you. Always pay attention. Always pay attention on what's there. Got your little spring. Pull all that out, clean that up real good. Make you a little walk bench. These spoils, they get metal, dirt, any little thing to cause this to stick. Then you won't have whatever gear, forwards, reverse, just whatever it works, you won't have. Get your little magnet, stick up in there to pull the rest out. Got your little screen there, check that out. I know it's hard to see, but there's your little screen. Now, normally ball bearings, but a bunch of chunks of metal, that's for sure. Bet you that's why it wasn't working. Look at those chunks of metal. Yep. That's how you clean out these solenoids and the spores to fix whatever you got going wrong with the valve bodies. Thanks again. Toodaloo.